Imagine the clock ticking away, your heart racing, a deadline looming over your head. Stressful, isn't it? This is a scenario all too familiar to many of us, a common trigger of stress, the dread of deadlines. Stress, this invisible foe we battle every day, manifests in various forms. It could be the apprehension of an upcoming presentation, the anxiety of managing a packed schedule, or even the worry of maintaining a balance between personal and professional lives. But stress isn't just about the mental turmoil. It seeps into our physical health too, leading to sleepless nights, loss of appetite, or even chronic ailments. Now, imagine a life where you could face these stressors head on, where you could transform this dread into determination, where you could turn the ticking clock from a source of anxiety into a source of motivation. But what if you could tackle this stress head on and transform your life? Interested? Stay tuned. Meet Jane, a software developer. She's on the brink of a deadline. Stress levels sky high. Like many of us, Jane finds herself in high-pressure situations, her heart pounding, her mind racing. But Jane has a secret weapon, a simple hack that anyone can use: deep breathing exercises. When the pressure mounts, Jane pauses, closes her eyes, and takes a deep breath in. She holds it for a moment, then slowly exhales. This isn't just any breath, it's a deep, mindful one. She repeats this a few times, focusing on the rhythm of her breath, the rise and fall of her chest. As she does this, she can feel the tension melting away, her mind becoming clear, her heart rate slowing down. This simple technique, this breathing breakthrough, is a powerful tool in Jane's stress-busting arsenal. With a few deep breaths, Jane is back in control. Stress, not on her watch. Meet Mike, a stockbroker. Market fluctuations are turning his hair gray. Stress levels through the roof. Mike is like a ship in a stormy sea, tossed around by the waves of uncertainty. But Mike discovers a lifeboat in the form of positive affirmations. He starts his day with phrases like, "I am in control," "I am confident," "I am calm under pressure." These words become his mantra, his guiding light in the darkness. As each day passes, Mike feels a shift, a growing sense of calm and control. The market still fluctuates, yes, but Mike no longer feels like he's drowning. He's steering his ship, navigating the choppy waters with a newfound confidence. Through this simple hack, he's able to keep negativity at bay. He replaces fear with faith, doubt with determination, stress with serenity. With a dash of positivity, Mike is back in the game. Stress, he laughs in the face of it. Meet Lily, a medical student. Exams are around the corner. Stress levels off the charts. Enter stage right. Hack number 3, the magic of movement. You see, Lily is smart. She knows that stress doesn't only occupy the mind, but it also creates tension in the body. What's her secret weapon? A good old-fashioned workout. Every morning, rain or shine, she laces up her sneakers and hits the pavement. 30 minutes of heart-pumping, endorphin-releasing, stress-busting exercise. She's not training for a marathon. She's simply embracing the magic of movement. Running isn't just about fitness for Lily. It's her way of shaking off stress, of exhaling the tensions from yesterday, and inhaling positivity for the day ahead. She's not running away from her problems. She's running towards solutions, towards a clearer, more focused mind. With a good workout, Lily feels rejuvenated. Stress? She's got no time for it. Meet Jack, a project manager. His team's disorganization is giving him sleepless nights. Stress levels peaking. Jack's story isn't unique. Disarray, lack of planning, and the resulting chaos can skyrocket anyone's stress. But Jack has a secret weapon. Hack 4, the art of organization. Organization isn't just about neat desks or color-coded files. It's about having a structure, a plan, a roadmap. It's about knowing what needs to be done, when, and how. So Jack starts to implement this in his team. He begins with a simple to-do list, breaking down tasks, setting timelines, assigning responsibilities. He organizes meetings, sets clear agendas, and ensures follow-ups. Slowly but surely, the chaos starts to dissipate. Tasks get done on time, the team works more efficiently, and Jack, he finally starts to sleep better. His team's organization is now his stress buster. With a well-planned schedule, Jack's stress levels take a dive. Stress? He's got it handled. Meet Emma, a stay-at-home mom. Her cluttered home is driving her crazy. Stress levels soaring. Emma's story is not uncommon. It's a tale as old as time, of clutter and chaos, leading to an overworked mind. But Emma has a secret weapon, the fifth hack we're introducing today. The serenity of surroundings. This hack is all about decluttering your environment. Emma starts small, with a single room. She clears out the unnecessary items, organizes what's left, and instantly, the room feels lighter, more spacious. It's as if the room itself is breathing easier. Emma moves on to the next room and then the next, until her entire home is a haven of calm and tranquility. Each item in its place, each room a peaceful space. The clutter that once caused chaos is now under control. Emma's home is her sanctuary, a place where stress has no room to grow. With a decluttered home, Emma breathes a sigh of relief. Stress? She's kicked it to the curb. Stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. As we wrap up today's journey, let's take a moment to revisit the life-changing hacks we've discussed, each one a stepping stone towards a stress-free existence. Remember, the key is not to eliminate stress entirely, but to manage it effectively, turning it from a foe into an ally. Our first hack, the breathing breakthrough, reminded us of the power of our own breath. Taking a few moments to breathe deeply can do wonders for our mind, body, and soul. It's a simple yet profound technique that can be used anywhere, anytime. Then we talked about the power of positivity. The way we perceive our circumstances can drastically affect how we react to them. Choosing to focus on the positive aspects of our lives can shift our perspective and help mitigate stress. Our third hack brought us the magic of movement. Exercise isn't just beneficial for our physical health, but for our mental well-being too. A brisk walk, a yoga session, or even some dancing around the living room can release those feel-good hormones and reduce stress levels. Next, we explored the art of organization. A cluttered environment or schedule can lead to a cluttered mind. By keeping our surroundings and our time neatly organized, we can create a sense of control and peace, reducing stress. Finally, we discovered the serenity of surroundings. Our environment plays a significant role in our stress levels. Creating a serene, tranquil space can help us relax and unwind, providing a sanctuary from the outside world. Each of these hacks offers a unique approach to stress management. They're not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather tools in your arsenal, ready to be used when the need arises. Which of these hacks resonated with you the most and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips and tricks. Remember, a stress-free life is just a hack away. Check out my next video that YouTube suggests, and I'll see you on the other side.